Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It's Triangle Saturday, so we're really diving into the lower degree time frame. In this video, I just want to look at here this structure, this triangle. We're still looking at this overall structure, which is part of this possible 1-2 setup. This is valid as long as we're holding 27,230. It is likely as long as we're holding 27,560. Below that level, it will get a bit unlikely. I think the assumption we made in the previous video was so far correct, that this is only a C wave to the upside and a D wave to the downside would most likely follow. If not, a breakout to the downside will happen straight away. Because in this triangle, what we're looking at is an X wave triangle. So this wave 2 we think is unfolding as a more complex correction. WXY, the X wave is a triangle unfolding as an A, B, C, D, E structure. Where the E wave is going to top, that's going to be the end of the X wave. From here, we can move down further. And it seems like the triangle is still unfolding. And one more wave to the upside would, I would say, complete this triangle. I mean, we could make the case, let me just think. We could make the case that this triangle is maybe already finished, unless I'm wrong here. But I mean, I don't, because at the moment this looks like a nice three-wave structure for the C wave. But it is technically possible that the C wave sits here, D wave here. This is the E wave, and we are breaking down from here. But in that case, I would want to see confirmation, and we always need that confirmation, at least an indication that the triangle is breaking, by breaking, first of all, below the trend line, but that's a weak confirmation. Better would be a break below the D wave low, that is at 27,800. And to be honest, to confirm a break of the triangle, we need a break below the B wave, that is 27,720. When a triangle breaks, it happens quickly. So if we now see a break below these levels, that is the confirmed triangle break. I mean, support levels I have is basically 27,560 would be ideal. Looking purely at the triangle height, which we can do, but we need to add it to the end of the E wave. Well, it would send it pretty much to the 78.6 fib level down there at 27,560. So what we now need to be watching for, do we come down straight away in this Y wave, or do we see an extension of the triangle? It's, both is absolutely possible. To be honest, I would be a bit surprised if on a Saturday a triangle breaks. So I think we see a little bit of up and down here. Might suggest a bit of a continuation of the triangle. Also, at the moment, we're holding the trend line. So I wouldn't be surprised to now see an E wave to the upside. I don't have really a confirmed low in place for D. But we have a three-wave move down in D, and that is what you normally want to see. So from here, the E wave could be starting. If E starts from here, what would be the ideal target for E? Well, it would be the 61.8 fib extension of the C wave, and that would be 28,180. We might not get that high. Another possible target is 28,075, the 38.2 fib level. So either way, as long as we're holding 28,332, so I mean, if we are below that level, then we can continue with the Y wave to the downside. So it's a bit like generally upside expectations are there for the third wave, as long as we're holding the orange box and we do not break below it and sustain there. But in the short-term pattern, there is still downside pressure as long as we're holding 28,330. So a confirmation that we are heading further to the upside in a third wave will be obtained if we break above that 28,330 level. A break below 27,560, which is the 78.6 fib level, would most likely send us to the next support at 27,060. For me, it's still uptrend. That's currently expected as long as we're holding 27,560, right? So generally, my view is we're in a third wave at the moment. This can, of course, change. Nothing is for certain and so on. But as long as the support areas are holding, we have to focus on that. There's no point trying to ask, what would be if, and all these questions, but there's no point because nobody knows the future. We can only analyze what we can see. We can only trade what we can see. We can identify high reward, low risk setups. So that's where we are. And I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.